time to read books.
बुक रीडिंग के लिए सिर्फ बुक चाहिए पड़ती है, लैंप नहीं चाहिए होता है।
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to day 17 of this weight loss journey. So I'm all ready and it's 6:10 a.m. specifically, and we are thinking of going to the lakeside. We are going to run or walk. Let's see. Also guys, it's cold outside, so I'm thinking of wearing this jacket. Hey guys, so we have reached the lake. As you can see, it's so big actually. And the view looks so interesting.
हवा कितनी अच्छी चल रही है।
हवा बहुत अच्छी है। Look at these birds.
Oh wow.
Zoom it. Yeah.
See. Wow. Whatever they are.
50, 100, 50 I guess. But
Okay.
look at
It's the wow scene ना? ओह बाप रे कितने बड़े बड़े हैं। What are those? They also have a nest on top.
Beautiful. This lake is not for walking. This is just for bird watching. Look at these trees, यार.
है ना, मूवी वाला सीन लगता है ना।
Fantastic. See, there are 6, 7 sites over there. They are this big. You can find all the birds here making noise.
Let's keep walking. We have to walk an extra round after the sightseeing. किसी की मॉर्निंग वॉक खराब करनी हो तो क्या करना चाहिए प्रज्ञा? उसको बता देना चाहिए कि वहाँ पे कहीं पे नेस्ट है, उसमें एग्स हैं। तो तुम पूरी जगह वही ढूंढते रहोगे कि नेस्ट है कहाँ और एग कहाँ है। Entire attention goes into कि है कहाँ? Am I missing it?
We found this guy basically who was clicking pictures with a DSLR, and he saw us spotting birds. So he suggested, oh, there on the right side you can actually see the nest and the eggs inside them, and we are still looking for it, and the guy is gone.
This is a perfect way of playing with someone's mind. जैसे अंदर घुस रहा दरवाजे में तो ये बोल दो कि वो ब्लू कलर देख लेना। I'm still looking for it. See that duck?
अली लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं। Wow.
ये कैसे लेके आया अंदर?
It happens only in India.
सब चलता है। What is this bird?
And he is eating लकड़ी।
He's playing with लकड़ी।
नई लकड़ी के ऊपर की काई खा रही होगी। This is not duck.
He's just circling round and round one more time. Ooh.
Come.
कैसे खा रही है प्रज्ञा? और
Shut up. Okay guys, so that's it for today's walk. It was the slowest walk we have done. So it took us 35 minutes and we have only completed almost 2 kilometers. So let's go home and do the Surya Namaskar. फोटो तो नहीं खिंचानी गाइस। अंकुर गैंगटॉक गया था और ऐसे ये जो पाइप रहते हैं उसके अंदर बैठ के अंकुर ने फोटो खिंचाई थी, एंड दैट वाज हिज प्रोफाइल पिक्चर ऑन फेसबुक फॉर इयर्स। खूब सारे सुअर हैं।
कुछ नहीं करेंगे।
हाउ कैन आई गो इनसाइड? दे आर लुकिंग एट मी। अटैक भी तो करते हैं ये।
One little piggy, two little piggy.
Hey guys, I'm done with 50 Surya Namaskar, now 58 more to go to finish those 108 Surya Namaskar. Hey guys, I've finished 50 more Surya Namaskar, so total 100 Surya Namaskar is done. Only 8 to go. Okay guys, 108 Surya Namaskar is done and it took me 50 minutes. Generally it takes around 56 minutes and calories burned is 360. I'm done with 108 Surya Namaskar and I'm feeling fantastic. So according to Google, we should burn around 1500 calories, but according to Apple Watch, it is around 400. So let's consider that. So for the breakfast, I'm having one paratha with very less oil and one omelette, which is made with 2 eggs and with tomato and onion. And with that, I'm taking little bit of Szechuan chutney. Ankur is also eating omelette with paratha and ketchup. Bon appetit! So it's 11 a.m. and I did not eat mung sprouts in the breakfast. So right now I'm going to eat it. So this is one bowl of mung sprouts which is stir fried in little bit of oil, salt and black pepper. That's it. So it's 1:30 p.m. and I'm super hungry and we are going to eat lunch. So what do we have, chef? Sous chef, what do we have?
We have some chana.
Okay.
Rice.
And this is some mixed veg. Looks wow. And we have some rice.
And I'm sure it's roti hoga.
So I love rice. I mean, अगर मुझे दिन भर rice खाने कोई बोल दे instead of roti, I can just eat it happily. And Ankur is totally opposite. He loves roti. So हमारे में कभी लड़ाई नहीं होती rice और रोटी को. हमारे सामने अगर 2 रोटी दे दे कोई और बोले ये rice है, what would you prefer?
रोटी. अगर उसके अंदर चने होंगे तो I can eat rice. अगर उसके अंदर छोले होंगे तो I can eat rice, for example.
I love rice. मतलब बचपन में अगर मेरी मम्मी से पूछो आप, मम्मी ने एक आध दिन क्या किया कि आज बहुत थक गए हैं, रोटी वोटी बनाई है ढेर सारी, आज नहीं बनाते, ठीक है. मैं कॉलेज से लौटी हूँ, ये कॉलेज की बात है, मतलब बचपन से तो छोड़ ही दो. कॉलेज से मैं लौटी हूँ, मैंने देखा रोटी है सब्जी, मैंने कहा चावल कहाँ है. मम्मी ने कहा आज बेटा आज नहीं है चावल. मम्मी को लगा ये तो बन जाएगी. मैंने खाना छोड़ दिया, मेरे लिए चावल और दाल चढ़े हैं भाई.
कितना तंग किया. सॉरी बोलने आके अभी.
मम्मी को तंग करना तो फर्ज बनता है हमारा. So anyways, stories apart, so we are eating one bowl of chana with one bowl of mixed veg, a little bit of rice which is half katori rice. Lamp shade का क्या करेंगे यार, ये अपन के पास कैसे आ गया था?
We bought it once extra.
नहीं बट हमने लगाया क्या नहीं ऐसे.
लैंप नहीं है, सारे लैंपों में लगा हुआ है ऑलरेडी.
तो यार मैं कोई लैंप खरीदना था मेरे वो बुक के लिए, वो जो झूले के बगल में बनाया हुआ मैंने कॉर्नर. I'll use that to read books.
बुक रीडिंग के लिए सिर्फ बुक चाहिए पड़ती है, लैंप नहीं चाहिए होता है.
Okay guys, so I'm eating half cup rice with 3/4 actually half cup chana with 1 cup of mixed veg and little bit of chili pickle, and with that salad. Ankur is eating only rice and chana with achar. Bon appetit! Hey guys, I'm all ready as I'm going to my mom's house. और बहुत दिन से मेकअप नहीं किया था, I mean eyeliner नहीं लगाया था. So I thought I should get ready because 2-4 दिन से shooting भी नहीं हुई है. So yeah, and as we are not going out anywhere because of corona, so तैयार होने के लिए यार कुछ तो रीज़न चाहिए. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this cute top which I bought from Myntra. And with that I'm wearing this track pants. Can you see the difference? The body looks very toned and I'm happy with it. So right now it's around 3:30 p.m. So this is the snack and I'm going to eat it. Hello. Hello. Hello.
हेलो हाय.
हाय बोल दो. हाय. क्या गिर गया? 1 2 गो. ये क्या था? So, मेरे स्नैक्स पे कब्जा हो गया है. अर्जुन क्या खा रहे हो तुम? किसका था ये? Hey guys, so it's around 5 p.m. क्या हो गया अर्जुन? So it's around 5 p.m. and I'm having tea with little bit of snack, which is this is called ribbon pakoda. Which is a South Indian famous pakoda. नहीं तो South India में इसको ribbon pakoda कहते हैं. Even I, है ना? Even I made this recipe on Yum Curry, so you can check that out as well. Yeah, so that's it for the evening. Mama, do we have something healthy to eat? I'm feeling hungry.
Salad.
No.
Fruit?
No.
Fruits? Eat?
Do we have makhana or something?
We have it.
Say then.
You have it at
Yes.
So I'm eating 1 cup of makhana and it's around 6:30 p.m. हाँ
Left hand.
हाँ कम हाँ where हाँ भैया आहा आहा मतलब होता है कि गोदी ले लो. कल आ जाएंगे. कल है दाल बाटी और भरता का प्रोग्राम. बाय. Hey guys, I've reached home. भैया dropped me and it's around 8 p.m. and हम लोग थोड़ा सा पार्टी के मोड में हैं. So we have ordered food from outside. I think I deserve a break and I ordered chicken tikka just to make a little healthier choice rather than fried thing and all. Ankur, shut up. Chicken tikka is much healthier than chili chicken, right? Because chili chicken is fried. So chicken tikka is at least tandoori. It has obviously oil, but it is tandoori, so it is much healthier option. Plus it is protein, right? Also I compromised my ghee and butter naan. Okay, I have not ordered.
I fully agree.
अंकुर का अगर खाना बताऊँ तो कल ही एट मैगी एंड आज अंकुर ने बटर नान ऑर्डर की है, उसके साथ एक लच्छा पराठा ओवर लोडेड विद घी एंड बटर. ठीक है, आई एम मच बेटर देन
बर्निंग 700 कैलोरीज अ
Shut
डे.
up.
यू डिजर्व अ ब्रेक.
है ना?
खाओ अच्छे से चिकन खाओ.
our food has arrived and bhaiya has arrived too, so we are having a party. This is my plate. So basically I'm eating 2 pieces of chicken tikka and chicken bhuna murg a little bit, so basically 2 pieces. With that half katori rice, half naan which is like garlic naan. Bon appetit. Hey guys, so it's 11:30 p.m. and that's it for today's vlog. So I did around 6,408 steps, that is 4.66 kilometers, and total calories burned is 720, which is not bad at all. We did not finish 10,000 steps today, but I'll do that tomorrow, hopefully. I hope you liked my vlog, so please do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I upload my next video. Until then, see you tomorrow. Bye.